Hey y'all, Pieces of Nika is back, and in today's Meal Prep Monday video, I'm going to be making pepperoni pizza bites for Parker and pepperoni pizza here at home for my husband and I. So if you want to see how I do that, stay tuned. And by the way, this is my first time trying this, so y'all please bear with me. We're going to go through this together, so stay tuned. So you first want to preset your oven to 400. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and open this, which I've opened it, and I'm going to cut Parker pieces into small bite-sized pieces for his mini pizza bites. I'm just going to line it up. So we're going to set that aside, and we're going to start on our dough. You want to spray both pans with Pam. There you go. And I'm using the Pillsbury pizza crust. Usually if it don't come right open, which it won't, you can press a spoon there, but I just like to bang it on the counter and it opens. You want to bang it right there on your counter and it'll open right up. So you just want to untwist and lay it on your pan. This one's going to be for our pizza. Roll it out. And you can bunch up the ends so that you can have something to grab when it's done. This is ours. And now for Parker's, I'm going to set ours aside. Let's go ahead and do Parker's. I'm going to actually cut his out into smaller pieces. Okay, and since I want small pieces, I'm actually going to use my Cozumel Mexico shot glass to make little small cutouts, and it'll be like the perfect size. So you just want to cut it out. See? Oh, cute little mini pizzas. So we're just going to cut out those. I'll just go ahead and just cut, and then I'll get them out in a minute. And for this leftover dough, I'm actually finna re-roll this so I can make more. I'm gonna use this glass to roll this out so that we can make more to fit around here. So let's go ahead and start with ours. And I'm actually gonna add bacon bits to my side. I'm gonna add some parsley to my side. This is my side, my husband's side. Gonna use one of his spoons full of sauce on. Alright, here's Parker's. So now we're gonna bake it for about 20 minutes. And we'll put the remaining pepperoni on our pizza. Something else Parker's gonna be eating this week is sandwich bites. So I wanted to show you all, there's him in the background. So I want to show you all how I make these. We're gonna be using the King's Hawaiian Rolls, Kraft single cheese, and Cracker Barrel's oven roasted turkey breast. Parker's breakfast is going to be mini quiche. This is ground turkey. We're going to add sharp cheddar and liquid eggs. So we're going to bake for about 30 to 45 minutes. And the quiche is ready. And the pizza bites are ready. And ours is ready. it tastes good, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm gonna go watch football now. Bye.